Let's go, guys.
grub.clc.
Ready? Bismillah.
Present hyphen insert
think we're on question number
grub file in vi
8.
underscore.
I don't know where is he, but we're on question number 8.
In the multi-user target by default,
multi-user target
and boot default multi-TL
system control
set hyphen default multi-user dot target command. Press enter, and we will verify the same by running the systemctl get hyphen default command. So we have successfully enabled the multi-user.
जी कौन है आती It's pouring, it's rain, lot of rain. Yeah, this one is different, bro. We're on this question number 7 on this shit. I mixed it up, huh? It's okay, no problem. Configure AutoFS. We already did this, so I'll complete this first, and then it'll be the second one. I have 2 questions. I'm doing both of them.
Okay. /etc directory added in the part exam because this
we did this.
Firewall -cmd -f
We did this. So I have 7 questions. I'm up to 8 now.
Switch to this user, so it is working fine. Okay. This thing you do not need to do the exam because this is what the server problem. So
yeah, the server problem he had.
In the part, as a part of the exam. Okay.
Don't worry.
Any questions?
So we're going to do question 8. Create a tar archive of etc directory with .bz2 extension tar archive named my etc backup dot tar should be placed in root. It's raining outside. I saw a spider. He ran away from his home. He had a home. He knew rain is coming. He ran away. What a smart guy. Sometimes I see him, he's in the rain. I don't know how to help him. I got lockjaw. Really? No, I don't. But you think we are Namoli?
Okay.
Never.
Question number 8.
Okay, question number 8. Create a tar archive. My ugly ass handwriting. I'm too tired to write.
And the tar archive name should be my etc backup.tar.
Acha.
And should be placed in /root directory. Okay? So /root directory means. So come out from this .x. /root directory means go to your root directory. Then after the question is saying create a tar archive. So what I can do, tar space -cv, and it's saying in .bgp. So bgp, for bgp we have small g, right? If they will ask you gzip.
bgp.
Create a
bgp.
/root directory means go to your root directory. Then after the question is saying create a tar archive. So what I can do, tar space -cv, and it's saying in .bgp. So bgp, for bgp we have small g, right? If they will ask you gz, then we have z. If they will ask you xz, then there will be option called capital J. So J, then F, then the name will be what? My etc backup.tar. My etc backup.tar, and we'll put bj2 as well because they ask us to compress in bj2 extension. Then /etc. It is
bz2 in /etc. Into /etc. But the extension is bz2. My backup dot tar dot bz2 dot tar dot bz2. I'll do it on my machine, but I don't want to mess up anything.
Yes.
I have to create a snapshot if I can.
Right.
Then I
So
can
it
mess
should
around with
be,
it.
we should have that file. Yeah, that's it.
I'm tired of sitting.
Right. So just compress those, make archive of your etc directory with bg questions.
That was easy.
Any questions?
Yes.
We should have.
A lot of questions.
That's the last thing.
So we just ran one command, and the question is done. What are the odds of this being on the test?
etc.
I don't think so.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be on the test, bro. Which takes this long, just on the test. This, yeah, they're not gonna give you 5 points for a question that takes 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's it.
It took 5 seconds.
Right.
10
So
seconds.
just compress those, make
That's
archive
it.
of your etc directory with
That's
bg
it.
questions.
John Smith, why are you hating?
Any questions with question number 8?
No one said they can
Fine
code.
then. No.
You try every
Question number
day.
9.
You try. Just like you're gay, you try to be gay every day. We try to code every day.
Copy the
You
files.
don't have to try to be gay after a while because you will become gay, and we won't have to try anymore. We will become coding. Don't worry. You continue to be a gay hater.
Configure the
Copy
permission
the
of slash
file
var tmp
etc
so
fs
that
tab to var temp. Configure the permissions of var temp fs tab so that. Look at my handwriting. My handwriting is ugly. I don't need you to diss me. I'll pistol whip me. Who is you? Huh? You can't harm me. I'll harm myself more than anyone can ever harm me. What you want about? etc fs tab. Into. Look at the rain. Subhanallah. Permissions. What do you want? Permissions off. So that is going to be the file var is owned by the root user. You don't have to do that. It will already automatically most likely be owned by the root user. The file fs tab belong to the group root. Most likely it will already belong to the group root. You don't have to do shit. But we'll see how to do it otherwise. The file var temp should not be executed by anyone. Most likely there'll be that, but if not, we'll change mod -x user minus whatever we gotta do. Then user Natasha is able to read and write. Okay. User Harry can neither. Okay. I don't want to write that down.
Is owned by root user.
Bro,
And the file
I'll just do the
belongs to group root.
shit. Let me write it down, man. Shit. Okay. The while var temp. Chill. Why is it moving? A lot of shit going on. User Natasha is able to read, right? Okay, let's begin. All other users have the ability to read. Okay, so O has
This
ability
file
to read.
should not be executable by anyone. So whenever you copy any file with root, so by default that will be
By
owned by root user.
default.
It
And
means
by
for the first
default
point we
it'll
do not
be
need to do anything.
and the
Right?
second.
The
And the
second thing is
second.
the file this should belong to group root. So obviously when we copy any file with the root user or any user,
Yeah.
so it will be owned by that user and the group owner will be also the same name. So again for this one we do not need to do anything.
That's what I told you guys.
Now this file should not be executable. So by default all the regular files are not executable.
Exactly.
So again for this one no action.
You don't have to do these three things. You know?
But now the user
Now the
Natasha
user
is able to read and write. That we need to do with the set FSC. User Harry can neither write nor read for this file. So again, set FSC.
So
all
what
the
do I
other
do?
users, current or future, have the ability to read this file. So
It's
that
just
is the default
permissions.
permissions.
It's just file
All the
permissions.
files have the permissions of R, right? So current or future
Man,
user
my
will be
room
able
smells
to
very
read
strange.
that file. Go back to my system. Let me go back to my system. Then I will copy slash etc fstab2 slash var slash tmp. Whatever locations it will ask.
Oh, why you guys come with the hate? Oh, the okay. I don't know what you have. Maybe you have nudity. Maybe you have haram. Maybe you have kafir stuff. I don't know, man. I can't go to girls' pages. I'm sorry. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Female is no, thank you. Stay away, please. Jazakallah khair, barakallah feekum. Most likely, I don't want. Yeah, I don't want to promote any kind of haram. I'm sorry. Females should only have one kind of page where they promote Quran and Sahih Hadith. Why not? It's innocent. No, thank you. I don't know what you're promoting. I don't know what you're promoting. I don't know what you're promoting. What kind of videos you post? I want to know. Is it Quran? Sahih Hadith? Or what is it? No cap. Okay. What are you promoting? What is your videos about? The content. Type of content. Type of content. What type of content you have? I'll promote you. First tell me what type of content you have. Before I go check it out, tell me what kind of content you even have. Why would I even promote a female anyways? Yeah. I don't know why would I even do that. Never. Alhamdulillah. I just want to know what kind of content you have. Maybe you have Quran, Sunnah. I'm intrigued. I doubt it. I'm gonna post videos about Jesus and I post TikTok dances. Sister, may Allah give you the perfect brother that is going to call you sister. You are not my sister. Go dance your way out of here. Filth. You want me to promote women dancing and you promoting dancing? This is haram in my religion. Probably it's innocent for you. You said it's innocent? You promoting TikTok dances? And Jesus? Wow, what a beautiful religion you have. Jesus and TikTok dances. Amazing. Beautiful mix. Anyways, it's raining. What the hell? Yo, what are you guys on? What are you guys on? Wallahi, what are you guys on? Jesus and TikTok dances. Can't even make this shit up, bro. Can't even make this shit up. Subhanallah. She said Jesus and TikTok dances. I'm like, bro. Can't even believe she just said that, man. Y'all be on some crazy stuff. You guys have some crazy, weird beliefs. Your religion is okay with that, huh? Copy command. Copy what? ETCFS tab into war temp.
Then if you see,
We don't want to see, but again, if you see, my sciatica is kicking in. My sciatica is kicking in. I can't sit anymore. I can't sit anymore. I'm gonna go to my bed.
FS tab, sorry.
Oh God, man. War temp, FS tab. I'm tired.
So you will see that these three things already there.
These things are
So
there.
it is root, group owned by root. It has read only. It do not have any executive permissions. And the last part is all other current features should have readability. So there is the read permission only there.
Yeah, that's done too.
So rest of the two part we need to use set FSCL.
Set
Set
FACL
FSCL.
for
Then
Natasha.
-m. Then U colon. What is the username? Natasha. NATASH Natasha colon. Then you write and the file. After Natasha, then
So what he did is this: user Natasha. What does she want? She wants read and write. I mean, we are giving her a read and write. And that's it, not X. In where? Var, temp, FS tab. Now we're doing the same for var, temp. But for who? For Harry. What are we giving him? We're giving him nothing. You'll see. Because Harry don't have anything, right? Let's see. Harry.
after Natasha, there will be Harry.
Harry. Okay, what are you giving Harry? Nothing. User Harry can neither write nor read. So what does he have? He have shit.
After Natasha,
Okay.
there will be Harry.
Harry has nothing. Dash,
And
dash,
it should
dash,
be
dash,
only-
dash, dash.
No permissions.
3 dashes. Good man, good man, good man. Harry has nothing. Natasha has read write. But the rest of the command stays the same. What is the command? -M and U for user. And you put the colon and you put the username. And dash 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 means nothing. And what the file name, destination of the file. That you want to give them these permissions, special permissions for this file. So they can read and write, and one you taking away the
We
read
can
and
verify
write.
that, get FSCL and the file.
Get FACL. Today we actually did this in class, I think. I forgot. Yeah, we did a lot of stuff, man. 3 hours is like a lot, bro. This whole course is like 1 hour. So it's like taking this course and repeating it 2 times.
Right. Any questions? Question number 9.
No, sir. Very easy, mashallah. इतना याद बस रहे
Question number 10.
बड़ी बात है.
Configure your system to synchronize the time with classroom.example.
Oh, that's it? NTP synchronize. The other guy did this in question number 3. You were doing this in number 10.
So, figure your
Question 10. Configure your system. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep. The time from classroom dot from class dot example dot com, etc. They'll tell you where. So we're just going to do question 10, then I'm going to take a break because I have to do 3 more questions with the other guy and catch up and go to question 10 with the other guy too.
system to synchronize the time with classroom.example.
Double whammy.
So,
Bar add karo, bar delete karo. Stop doing this shit.
you need to install the package of cron CHRONY. That is the name of
Yum
package.
install crony. Why? Yo. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Rab. Give people hidayah. Give people shifa. It's crazy. Shit, man. Yum install crony. It's raining, pouring. This is the package name, and this is the command. This is the package name. Yum. What do you want to do? You want to install, you don't want to remove. And that's the package name.
Which you install. Right? Then we have a file, etccrony.conf. Inside this file, you need to set
He's going to edit it.
We
He's
have
going to
a
edit the
file,
file.
etccrony.conf.
Oh, you know this is going to be question 3 of the other guy I show you. We already did this, I
Right?
think.
Then we have a file, etccrony.conf.
Bro, Linux.
Inside this file, you need to set the
Yeah, man. Let me finish this question number 10.
that. Then
So we went
have
to
a file,
vim
etccrony.conf.
crony.conf.
Inside this file, you need to set that name. Comment
Inside
on this
here,
option and
you
put
have
this
to-
conf. Inside this file, you need to. Then we have a file, etccrony.conf. Inside this file, you need to set that name. Comment on this pool option and put the server space classroom.example.com.
That's it.
Use iBurst. It will help my system to synchronize it very quickly.
That's
so
it.
just use iBurst there.
Nice. तो पहले वो pool जो है ना pool was like this. Pool was like this. It was like this. And from this you went like this. You made it this. You commented out the pool. Dot to rel. This is what happened. Remember that pool, and then you made into this hash. You commented it out. What are the opportunities after learning Linux? You can become a Linux admin. You can become bro. You know how this Microsoft? You know how you can become a Microsoft admin, Microsoft engineer? There's Microsoft, there's Linux. Every Microsoft person almost, if they're using command line, they will learn about Linux. Linux is the operating system. Thank you, bro. Exercises, yes. Bro, for Linux, you can do Microsoft, like let's say there's a Microsoft system admin. There's a Linux system admin, Yo, stop. Oh my lord. Stop. Fear Allah, guys. Fear Allah. Don't harass me, guys. Don't harass me. Shit. Oh my lord. Don't harass me. Let me finish up with question number 10.
That name.
And I will answer you guys
Comment on
after.
this pool option and put
Come
this
on,
conf.
shit, man.
Inside this file, you need to set that name.
So you comment it out.
And
Then
put
you
the
add
server
server,
space
classroom,
example.com.
I burst.
You
Come on, man.
use iBurst. It will help my system to start the service.
Oh, restart भी करनी है उसको.
Java
Restart कर
and
दो. System control restart. Shit. Connie D.
Restart the service and then
Enable कर दो. Enable कर दो. Enable, restart and enable. Both of them. Same shit.
Space
and
sources
sources -v.
so there's through that
Okay, so we're doing sources.
sources space hyphen v. So there's through the star mark instead of this colon exclamation. Again, it could be related to my
Yo, Python is nice, bro.
server. So if I will do
Machine learning engineer,
IMTP,
I go to non-technical field because I'm doing coding alone. I don't
so
know,
it's
bro.
simply
Machine learning is
in
nice.
few minutes.
Do explain what is machine learning. I want to know more. What do you mean, like machine learning? Can you tell me more about that, please, so I can better understand? Enable. You hear the rain? Yeah. You hear the rain? Anyways, we're not gonna stop. You know, don't ever stop being positive because of the haters. Yo, thunder. Chrony sources -v. Subhanallah. You hear that? You hear the rain? Your earlier comment, David, I read it. I said, can you define machine learning? What do you mean, like machine learning? Can you be just a little bit more specific? I think machine learning is great, but like, what do you mean by machine learning? Python was nice, bro. How about, what do you think about AWS? Cloud. Cloud is the future. How about AWS or Azure? I would invest my time in this, but if you're a Microsoft person, go with this, bro. These are the big cloud giants. GCP is not that big. It is big, but how childish. How childish. Anyways, it makes me laugh. It makes me laugh. Yo, guys, don't we all want to ride or die? In the sense, if I fucked the whole world, yeah, imagine having someone like that. You know what I mean? Thunder, thunder. You hear the rain? Allahu Akbar, la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, la hawla. Hey, Ari, what's up? Oh, subhanallah, Allahu Akbar. What do I need help for? Man, what the fuck do I need help for? Anyways, man, I need a ride or die. In the sense that they will not leave you. If the person I love, if they fell, if you fall, I would always be there for you. We all fall. I would not like laugh at you falling down. I would say it's okay. If you shot somebody, I will hide the gun for you. You know what I mean? It's like a ride or die. But of course, I don't mean that like literally, like, you know, enabling crime. What I mean is like I'll still take your side. I'll still support you. But there are people that you do a little slip up, they're like, ha ha, ha ha. Usman. Usman. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. A lot of rain. Masha. Yeah, long line, we always go rain.
Do the star mark instead of this column next one. Again, it could be related to my
He's adding the services. He has some issue. So enable currently kar dein, enable restore.
it should be coming to few minutes.
Shit,
Yeah,
man.
you see, I'm just verifying the content. Ronnie.com.
Hey, David, I wasn't speaking about you, my brother. What's going on here? Tech is almost over, brother. We are moving a new era. What is the new era? You're going into what is the new era? Tech is not over. Tech is over, and what is the new era? Who's gonna do your tech stuff? I just don't understand. What do you mean?
Right?
Of course,
So
there's
you
always
just
machine
need to
learning.
make
There's
sure
AI.
So that you have put the correct and keep the server address in the Ronnie.com.
Find all files and directories which were created by Natasha into a system and copy it into root Natasha files.
Find all files and directories which is created by user Natasha.
We're gonna do question 11 tomorrow. This rain made me hungry. I love you too, brother. AJ, please behave. It's like childish stuff going on now here, you know. We have to behave.
Target by default, and boot messages should be present there.
So there's
They will not be silenced. So let's
इसका question 2 था भैया.
So we can execute system ctl
What is this? GPT check?
on default multi-user dot target command. Press enter.
Hey, Sean Ballard.
IP underscore.
You never sent the Cash App thing.
Go forward. This is the same IP address. Stay connected and the nickname, right? And
NMC recognize show. Okay.
again we can execute.
What's up?
We will mention here giving.
Ooh,
We
Subhan.
will add
You hear the thunder?
running interface.
I hear the thunder.
And it should be done in such a way that it does not compromise your existing settings. So we need to add this IPv4 address there and IPv6 address there to the active interface. We know that ADH1
Cloud is great.
active interface here.
If I was your young brother, I don't know, bro. I'm not
Let's see
good
the
in
details first.
this thing, bro. I'm new.
By running the
I'm only learning
connection.
Linux. I should do cloud, bro. AWS, Azure, Microsoft Azure. What is machine learning? I don't know. But I know about cloud. That's the future, bro. That's the future. Cloud. You can create the real machines
And
in
this one
cloud.
is our active interface. CDDTS1 is our does not compromise. Is our active interface.
Doing predictions by using tons of data. That's
Here
amazing.
we will add these IP addresses.
For example,
so we can
YouTube
execute
algorithm
NMCLI,
recommends you a
connection
video
modify,
that's part of machine learning
and after that we will mention the
because
name.
you have showed your
That is
interest.
system
Yeah.
space ETH1.
I don't know, bro. I
a
think
backward slash
cloud
here
is
for
better.
giving the space, and there we will add the IP address. So we will,
We did
will
this
mention
today.
here plus IPv4 dot address, and we will mention the IP address which we want to add. So this is the IP address which we are going to add. So we can copy it from here and let's paste it on the terminal and press enter. So we have added the IP address. Now we can reload the connection. So we can execute NMCLI connection reload command, and again we can execute NMCLI connection show, and this time we will mention the name of the connection.
But that is complete BS. But okay.
Connections show, and this time we will mention the name of the
Modify system, reload, show system. Modify system, reload, modify, reload, show. Modify, reload, show. Well, it's the same thing. System, system. Connection is the same command. NMCLI.
the connection, and here it is. Our IP address should be visible here. Let's check. Here it is. So we have successfully added
Okay,
the
YouTube
IPv4 address.
algorithm recommends you machine.
Now we will add
learning.
the IPv6 address.
If I was your younger brother,
So we can execute NMCLI connection
I would do cloud, bro. I would do cloud. I don't know. I'm not giving good advice. I would do cloud, AWS, Microsoft Azure.
Connection, modify,
Oh, he deleted
and
it.
the
What the
name of
fudge is going
the
on?
interface, IPv6 dot method,
Alrighty.
manual, IPv6 dot addresses.
Tech is almost over. We're moving in a new era. What is the new era? And then they just said, I love you all so much. What? Full stack development, there is future, bro, but you should focus on one.
And we will mention.
Brother, should I become a machine learning engineer or non-technical field? Yeah.
Then the IP address which we want to set. So we can copy it from here and paste it. Now we will again reload the connections. You can copy it from.
Hold on 1 second. चल हाँ जरा यार वापस जाते हैं हम question 2.
And let's log in as the root user.
Question number 2.
Log in the one command. Now we have the DNF repo list command, and let me get on the repo server, and these are the URLs. So let me show you that the repositories are not configured on this machine. So I can execute the DNF repo list command, and let me go to the etc yum.repos.deef directory.
CD
and there,
etc. Alrighty.
There are no repo files present.
So there is none, which means you have to
two
create
methods
them.
of configuring the repositories. Either we can create a file here.
Create a
and
file,
mention
that's
each
better.
and everything.
Create a file, that's better. etc yum dot repo package dot repo. That's better. Trust me. Trust me. Trust your boy. Trust me on this.
Manually in that file, or we can do it
Manually
by
is better.
executing the DNF
Don't do
config
that.
manager
Don't
command.
do that.
I'm going to show you this with the help of command because it is very easy.
Yeah.
So we will mention DNF config
Easy, but
manager
it's does half the work.
-add -repo.
I mean, it does 90%
and after that,
of the
we will
work.
mention the URLs. So let me copy and paste this URL here.
Okay, that's one. Basically, sorry. Second one, you do the same. You do config manager hyphen. You're adding the repo. No, brother. Thank you. Yeah, I'm not doing that shit, bro. You guys said post your cash app. I did. I'm not doing this shit. Western Union. What the fudge? Who does that? I mean, just who does that? I don't know.
This is for the base OS.
Then we do the same thing. We do the same exact comment and the same exact what do you call it, command. You would copy it and you would put app stream instead of the base OS.
And we will add the second one also. That is for the app stream. So we will copy this URL from here and we will paste it on the terminal. Now,
should you hear that? Subhanallah.
Now, if you will execute the ls command, you will find two repository files in our machine. And with the help of these files, the repositories are configured, and we can execute the yum repo list all command to see whether the repositories are enabled or not. So you can see that we have successfully configured the repositories in our machine, and we can follow this.
So give us again this. It's raining all night. Suck. Don't know what to say. Let me not say anything wrong.
The same process on the other machine as well. Now let's proceed towards the question number 3. Here, the system time should be set to
We
your
did this earlier, no?
time zone and ensure that the NTP sync is configured. So let me execute the time.
What is
date
going on
CTL
with
command.
everybody? Shit, man, what the fuck is going on with everybody? Stop taking drugs, guys. Yeah, we going wild. Time date control, NTP
So NTP is active
is active.
and the clock is also synchronized. But we are going to ensure whether all the settings are correct as per the requirement. So we will manually check each and everything and we will configure it if it is not configured earlier. So let me first set the time zone because there we need to set the local time zone. So here we can execute time.ctl set hyphen time zone command, and in the double quotes we will mention here Asia
All
slash
right,
Kolkata.
USA, Eastern Time. Subhanallah, you hear that? Thunder is going wild.
After that, we can execute the time.ctl command again to set the NTP. This time we will mention set hyphen NTP, and here we can mention yes. But it is already enabled. We will execute this command if it is not enabled earlier. Now we will check whether the crony package is installed in our machine or not. So either we can use the rpm-qa command, and there we can grab crony. Crony package is there, or we
Yo,
can check it
what is going
by the DEEN
on?
command as well. If it is already installed, in that case, it will show us the details of the same. So this package is already installed in our machine. We don't need to install it manually.
Now
And
we're gonna
we can
start
write
blocking
DNF command as
left
well.
and
If it
right,
is already
left and
installed,
right.
in
Why are
that
you guys
case,
calling
it
me
will
at
show
this
us.
time? Why are you guys calling me at this time? Why are you guys calling me at this time? Why are you guys calling me at this
We
time,
can check it
especially when I'm
by the
alive?
DNF command as well. If it is already installed, in that case, it will show us the details of the same. So this package is already installed in our machine. We don't need to install. Call it
You
manually.
can just do yum
and
install
we can verify the
crony.
status of the service of the crony at the same time. So we can execute systemctl status crony t dot service command, and the service is up and running fine. We will also verify whether it is using the server there in the crony.conf file or not for the NTP. So we can open /etc/crony.conf file in the editor, and there it is using this server for the NTP. So everything is correct. We can execute the time date CTL again to verify the details. So here the time zone is our local time zone, clock is synchronized, NTP is active. So everything looks good. Now we can proceed further. Now the next question is verify that server one is using the network IP
So
DNS
one
gateway
is using,
setting as
oh,
mentioned above in the
that's
instructions.
easy.
And if not, make the
You could just do
necessary
an
adjustments.
MTUI.
DNS is this, and gateway. We have two adapters.
Question number 4.
ETH0, it is using 4.8 kb of data, and ETH1, it is 112.3. So this is the active adapter.
We
So
did
can
question number
open
10.
this
Now we're
file
doing number 4 with this guy.
to see the details. So let's go to the etc sysconfig network-scripts directory and open the adapter file ifcfg eth1, and here and open the adapter file ifcfg.
ETH1.
ETH1, and here
Feels like there's needles going in
everything
my
looks
head.
good. IP address
Needles
is the
going
same,
in my
which is
head.
mentioned there in the document. DNS is also same.
Shit.
So everything looks good here. We don't
That's
need to make any changes.
crazy.
We can proceed further.
Okay. What's further? Number
The next
5?
question is add the following secondary IP address statically to your current running interface, and it should be done in such a way that it does not compromise your existing settings. So we
Well,
need to
I'm
add
intrigued to see how you do that.
and IPv6 address there to the active interface. We know that ETH1 is our active interface here. So let's see the
I'm not
details
going to
first.
write down the
And
question. I'm just
IPv6
going to do
address there
the
too.
solution.
So let's
Just
see
write
the
down the
details first
command.
by running the
NMCLI
NMCLI connection
connection
command.
show. Five.
So these two
You
are the
can do up to
interfaces,
number 10
and this one is
without
our
any
active interface.
interruptions. I'm going to block
ETH1.
everybody that tries to interrupt.
Here we will add these IP addresses. So we can execute
NMCLI
NMCLI connection modify,
modify.
and after that we will mention the name, that is system space ETH1. We are giving a backward slash here for giving the space, and there we will add the IP address. So we will mention here plus IPv4 dot address, and we will mention
Swan, look at the rain. Modify. Connection.
the IP address which we want to add. So this is the IP address which we are going to add. So we can copy it from here and let's paste it on. This is the IP address which we are going to add. So we can copy it from here and let's paste it on the terminal and press enter. So we have added the IP address. Now we can reload the connection. So we can execute NMCLI connection reload command, and again we can execute NMCLI connection show, and this time we will mention the name of the connection, and here it is. And this time we will mention the name of the connection, and here it is. Show, and this time we will mention the name of the connection.
ETH1. NMCLI is for what? Connections.
And here it is. Our IP address should be visible here. Let's check. Here it is. So we have successfully added the IPv4 address.
Yo, that is crazy. Yo, I'm gonna block. Stop. Don't do that.
Now we will add the IPv6 address to this adapter. So we can execute NMCLI connection modify and the name of the interface.
Shit, man. Yo. Damn, today might be my birthday, subhanAllah. Today is my birthday. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is being very generous to me today. But why today? Why specifically today? Shit, man. Shit, man. This is question number 5. Shit, man, that's absurd.
IPv6 dot method manual IPv6 dot addresses, and we will mention the IP address which we want to set. So we can copy it from here and paste it. Now we will again reload the connections. So NMCLI connection reload, and again we will check by executing the NMCLI connection show command, and we will mention ETH1 there, and here we will check for the IPv6 address. And here it is. It is the same IP address which we mentioned in the command. So we have successfully set the IPv4 and IPv6 addresses in our machine.
Yeah, but I'm not interested, you know? I am single, mashallah, alhamdulillah bil alameen, but I'm not interested. I'd rather fuck myself. You know? I make love to myself.
IPv6
I don't need any
addresses in our
humans.
machine.
They're not loyal, you know?
So we have successfully set the IPv4 and
I wanna fuck a badass jinn, you know?
it is the same IP address which we mentioned in the command.
Humans
So we
can't
have
handle
successfully
that
set
shit.
the IPv4 address. We will
Humans
check
are
for
not
the
loyal.
IPv6
Humans are not loyal, nor
address.
can they handle it.
And here
They're
it
not
is.
about that
It is
life.
the same IP address which we mentioned in the command.
They're
So
not
we have
about that
successfully
life.
set the IPv4
Oh,
and IPv6 addresses
sad.
in our machine.
Suck
The
my dick.
IPv4 and IPv6
Suck
addresses in our
my
machine.
dick. Yo, stop. Don't do that shit. Shit, man.
Let's proceed further.
You are possessed.
The
You are
next question is,
possessed.
enable
Wallahi,
packet
you are
forwarding
possessed.
on server 1
Do some
should
drood.
persist
Read some Islamic stuff. Do some zikr.
after the boot.
Subhanallah, Allahu Akbar.
Forwarding on server 1 and it should persist after the boot. So we are on the server 1 and here we will enable IP forwarding. So we are on the server 1 and here we will enable IP forwarding. So we can open the /etc/sysctl.conf file in the we can open the /etc/sysctl.conf file in the editor, and here we will add a new line, and in this line we will .conf
Packet forwarding. So, this is number
file
6.
in the editor, and here we will add a new line, and in this line we will mention net.ipv4.ip_forward is equal to 1, and we will save this file. Let me check whether the IP forwarding was enabled earlier or not. So we can execute cat proxys net IPv4 IP_forward. So it was not enabled earlier. Now we have to reboot the machine to enable it, because we have already made an entry in this file, and system will read this file if we will reboot the machine. We can do that by executing this sysctl-p command also, but we want to make sure that it must withstand the system reboot. So let's reboot the machine, and we will again check whether the IP forwarding is enabled successfully or not. We will again check whether the IP forwarding is enabled successfully or not. Our machine is back. Let's switch in the account of the root. User, and again check whether we have successfully enabled the IP forwarding or not. Not. So again we will open the cat proxys net IPv4 IP_forward file, and
You'll say 1.
this time it is showing the result as 1.
Earlier it
and
was
not.
saying 0.
And we will again check whether the IP forwarding is enabled successfully or not.
Shit, man.
IPv4.
Now I'll say
in
1.
the multi-user target by default.
So we did number 6. Now we will try to do number 7. The server 1 should boot in multi-user target by default. 4 more minutes. In this rain. A lot of rain. Yeah, the bullshit. You hear that? Fuck on it. It's like what, 1 a.m.? No, it's 12. It's 12:09. Oh, yeah, let me see that. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Yeah, I'm not picking up that shit. Abusive ass shit. Yeah, we have a flash flood advisory. Flood. We're having heavy rain. We're having flood warnings. One hour marker. Alrighty, we're having flood warning. New York has flood warning because it's raining so much. We might have a flood. MashaAllah. Okay, we're here. 1 hour marker. We'll stop right now. Yo, man, what's going on? Chill out. Chill out. 1. It is only 1. So I'm gonna stop right here.